In today's video, we turn our attention to pixel perfect targeting. What is a pixel and why is it important? If you missed the first couple of videos in this series, in the comments below,
You'll find links to defining your avatar, ad creative, and audience targeting. In order to measure the effectiveness of your ad campaign, you'll need to install the pixel on your website. What is a pixel and why is it important? Have you ever noticed that when you visit a website, maybe it was Target or Macy's or Home Depot, a day later you might be scrolling through your Facebook newsfeed and you'll see the very item that you viewed in more detail? It's almost as if Facebook knows what website you are on and what products you are looking at. Well, that's not by accident. Facebook does know this because there was a pixel installed and the cookies in your browser remembered it. Are you more likely to rethink the purchase since you just saw it again, even if you ignored it? Subconsciously, your brain registers that you were advertised to again. It's the same thing when you place a product in your shopping cart and then a day later you receive an email from that company that says, "Hey, did you forget something? Did you leave something in your shopping cart?" They know you added the item to the cart, but you closed your browser or you left the page before you made the purchase. Studies show that more than half of all customers will click back and buy the product. So if big box stores are capitalizing on this strategy, then why aren't you? Well, because most people don't really know how. The word pixel simply means code that you add to your website to make measuring this data happen. If you follow along with my tutorials on a regular basis and you built your website yourself using WordPress, you'll simply go to the plugin, install headers and footers, and you'll copy the code directly from Facebook and paste it into the header of your website. If you don't quite understand what I'm talking about here, then download a free copy of my ebook, The Ultimate Guide to Creating Your Own Blog or Website. I've posted a link in the comments below. Once your pixel tracking code is properly installed, you'll be able to view all your metrics easily, both within your Facebook ads dashboard as well as inside your Google Analytics. Now that you've got a good understanding of your avatar, who you're going to target, you've got a great eye-catching ad with copy that grabs the attention of your audience. You know how to reach that audience because you zeroed in on your targeting strategy inside of the Facebook ads dashboard, and you're able to measure the effectiveness of your ad with the pixel. You've got all the tools you need to run an effective advertising campaign and then analyze the results. In the next Daily Digital, we'll conclude this series on online advertising with ideas for different types of posts and content that you can share on your social networks.